So for this project, we're going to be using a pair of jeans, and I'm using an old pair that I've had for a long time and I don't wear it anymore. Then we're going to be using a ruler, we're going to use some scissors, we're going to use a tape measure, we're going to use a fabric marker, and lastly we're going to be using some tweezers. The next step, I'm going to be deciding where I'm going to cut my shorts out, and I've decided to cut it right under my hips, and I'm going to make a little mark to indicate that. And after marking that, I'm going to be taking my jeans and I'm going to open them up. And then I'm going to take my tape measure and I'm going to measure from the waist till that mark, and then I'm going to mark it down and I'm going to continue marking all the way. And then after marking, I'm going to take my straight ruler and I'm going to draw a straight line connecting those marks. And after marking, we're going to take some scissors and we're going to cut it out. After cutting that, I decided to also make it in black, and I've cut these denim pants that I've had for a long time, so I'm going to fold it over in half. And then after that, I'm going to be taking the blue shorts and I'm going to be placing them on top of the black jeans. And then I'm going to take my straight ruler and I'm going to draw a straight line like so. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and take some scissors and I'm going to cut it out. So finally, I've got my two shorts, and you can decide to stop right here because actually they look great, but for me I decided I want them to be frayed a little at the bottom, so I'm going to be taking my tweezers and I'm going to twist out the edges out like so to make them a little bit more distressed, and when I'm done I'm going to throw them in the washer and they're going to come out perfect. So here is how the shorts came out, and for the first look I decided to style them with a long white shirt together with a tube top and some sneakers. I think this is a cute outfit for just like a day out or something, so yeah. For style number 2, I decided to button up the shirt and tuck it in on one side, and I also added brown sandals for the black shorts together with the brown bag. What I'm giving you. For style number 3, I added a denim jacket and I still paired it up with the tube top that I had before. Are you really ready? Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try. So for the fourth style, I styled it with this white blazer and the same tube top I had before, and then I switched the sneakers to some heels so that you can go from day to night, and I think this night outfit is a good outfit for a date night or even some time with the girls. So this is the end of the video. Let me know which is your favorite style, and God bless. Get you somebody, careful what you wish for, make